Hello, so today we're going to be doing all about queries, and we're going to be doing the queries 3 task from the Garden ICT page. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the data types database, and we want to create a query. And to do this, you need to go to Query Wizard. And what we want is we want all the fields, so we're going to click the double arrow. And if you wanted only one, you could just click the single one. So now we're going to go next, next, and then modify the query design. Alright, so with this, like the first query, what we want to do is we want to have all the dates from February 2009. So to do this, you just type in that, and the star symbol is so it can be any number, it doesn't matter. So we have all that. Okay, now we're going to go to the queries database file, and we're going to create a query. Again, go to Query Wizard. And for this query, what we're going to do is we're going to select only the models that have the letter R as the first letter of their name. And that should have all that. Okay, and we're going to rename that query. And we're going to rename it to R star. Okay, so for the next query, we're going to do the same kind of concept with the whole Query Wizard. And we're going to select only sizes that have 0.5. Okay, so now we're going to go and create another query after renaming that to be star 0.5. So if you do not click modify the query design, you can always go to home and you can click view, and that'll let you edit it in case you forget it or mess it out or whatever. So for this one, we're going to add an extra field, and we're going to name it plus. And the data in this field is going to calculate size, which we use the square brackets and then the plus sign to indicate we want to add these two together, and then number, and then to close bracket. So you should all that. So we're going to go back into view to edit it, and we're going to add another field, and this one's going to be called minus. So for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to do size, again with the square brackets, minus number. Okay, so we're going to do two more of these. The next one we're going to do is multiplying. We're going to call this multiply, and it's basically the same concept. Each time you use the semicolon to indicate that's what you want the name to be, and then you're going to use the square brackets. You're going to use the star if you want it to be multiplied, and then you're going to type in whatever and just make sure to close it. So there we have that one. And so the final one is going to be divide. And for this one, we're just going to be using the slash to indicate we want to divide the two fields. If you could spell properly. So yeah, we have plus, minus, multiply, and divide. And because we have the little like symbols, if you just click on it like that, then it'll make sure it'll go all the way, and then all the numbers will show, and you won't have that. And for those ones, it's just because you cannot divide something by 0. And yeah, that is basically how you do queries. Thanks for watching.